Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me hair lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and it comes in this purple packaging. The packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with an hairband, it comes with baby hairbrush, it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, and it also comes with a bag to store your hair when done. It comes with this purple gorgeous bag or purse right there, and it also comes with the star of the show. Look at that. Look at that. The calls are popping like straight out of the box. Everything has been done for you guys. As you guys can tell, the hair also comes with side pass straight out of the box. It comes with an elastic band, it comes with an elastic strap, and it has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. But as always, I actually love installing my frontals with glue, especially based on the fact that I love this hair. Immediately I saw this hair, I was like, no way, I'm definitely going to install this with glue because I would love to wear it for a very long time and I am loving it. So I applied 2 layers of the glue on my head and I placed the lace exactly on the areas where I applied the glue, then brushed the hair back on the clay to further melt the hair down, and then cut off the excess lace of the hair on the side and also the front of the hair, just to give that perfect fit for my hair, if that makes sense. So that's basically how I install the hair. Very easy, very straightforward, and very beginner friendly. I also applied this spray, olive spray, on the hair just to further melt the hair, then use the baby hair scarf to melt the hair down. And look at that, melted guys. Where is the lace? Show me the lace. I love the hairline of this hair. I love the fact that it has actually been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so I didn't actually need to do any customization whatsoever. And I used my powder by Fenty to just to brush up the front of the hair a bit, then went ahead and do the center part. So for today's look, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually style this hair. You can style it however you want. If you want that big hair don't care kind of look, you can definitely go for that. And if you want like everyday hairstyle, you can actually go for that as well. The hair is so versatile that you can style it however you want. And bear in mind that it's 100% human hair, meaning you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can bleach it, you can do anything to the hair just like your own natural hair. The hairline of this hair is giving me life. Look at that. Look at that. I am loving it. The hairline is proper slid. Look at that. And the luster texture of this hair is just out of this world. Like, really, Love Me Hair always coming through when it comes to the quality of their hair. Look at that. This is the first look that I created with this hair straight out of the box. I didn't coil it, I didn't tongue it, I didn't do nothing. I just manipulated the hair with my hands and that comb right there, and then voila, wait for it guys, wait for it, I look like a celebrity. You can't tell me otherwise. I love this. Look at that. Look at that. Straight out of the box. No hot comb, no flat iron or anything like that. The curls were straight out of the box guys. I also used my hand to manipulate the curls over and over again just to give me different styles, and I am definitely impressed with the quality of this hair. You can tell by the way the hair moves, the body and everything, that the quality of the hair is definitely top notch. Look at that. I would always show you guys that you can call any human hair that I show on my channel, so you don't have to do this, but as always I like to show you guys that you can actually curl this hair. And as you guys can tell, the hair took to curls really well. It feels like my natural hair but longer, and the hairline for me guys, the hairline for me is amazing. Look at that. The hair took to curls really well, and I am loving it. You guys can use any tongue or any, you know, hair styling product to, you know, style your hair. But for me, I thought the luster of the hair is just amazing, so there was no need for me to apply any product on the hair. So all I did was just use the one to curl the hair inwards away from my face. Bear in mind that if you want that tight curls to achieve that voluminous big hair don't care kind of look, you can also use your wand curls to do that as well. But for this look, I actually mimic the, you know, curls that came with the hair straight out of the box, and yep, that's it. Voila! Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. I love this hair. The volume of the hair, the length of the hair, and the texture of the hair. I am a huge fan. I love it. So yeah, I sprayed the GHD hair styler or hair spray on the hair just to, you know, give it a holding whatever. Yeah, so that was it, and then brush the hair again, and yeah, look at that. Voila, we have actually achieved 3 styles with this hair, and I am really impressed. Watch until the end and you would also see the styles that you could actually go for with this hair, and you will definitely be impressed. Look at the volume, guys. Look at the volume of the hair. It's pour up in, like, I'm impressed. No two ways, I am impressed. I'm still wearing the hair, by the way, and I am loving it. Very voluminous, and voila, I love it. So yeah, stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me Hair lace frontal wig. The hair is actually 13x4 lace frontal wig, and as you guys can tell, everything has been done for you straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about customizing your hair. And in fact, you can actually use the elastic band in the cap to install your hair. Everything has been done for you guys. I love the fact that the hair has been pickled straight out of the box, so you don't have to do all that. If you're the type that just like to slap on your wig and go, then this is definitely for you. And if you don't want to use any glue or gel, you can also, you know, use the elastic band in the cap to install your wig. As I showed you guys in the beginning of this video, the hairline has been pre-plucked straight out of the box, the hair has been pre-curled straight out of the box, and the construction of the cap is amazing, professionally made. And as you guys already know, Love Me Hair always pay attention to details when it comes to the quality of their hair. So I am loving this so far. I love the fact that the hair is so versatile that I can actually style it anyhow I like, and the curls are popping straight out of the box. The curls are popping. I really love how full the hair is. The hair is really soft. The texture of the hair is amazing, like seriously. Even when I tried to curl the hair to show you guys that it's 100% human hair, I didn't have to add anything to this hair because the luster of the hair straight out of the box is just fantastic. Look at that. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. The hair is really voluminous and very silky to touch. I love the curls of this hair, and I love the fact that you can actually manipulate the hair however you like. Another thing I love about this hair is the quality of this hair. As I mentioned to you guys before, the quality of this hair is just amazing. Look at that. I didn't experience any shedding throughout the styling of this hair, and the hair took to curls really well. I am loving it. I just can't stop touching the hair, trust me. Like, I am feeling myself. I love the fact that I can actually go for that big hair don't care kind of look, and at the same time I can actually go for that natural look, like where to work and all of that. I am loving this hair. It's so versatile, and I love the length of the hair as well. You can actually, you know, wear this hair half up, half down, and you can also go for tighter curls using the wand if that's the look you're going for. The quality of the hair is just amazing. Top notch for me, top notch in terms of the texture, the length of the hair, the curl pattern of the hair straight out of the box. I am loving this. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend this hair. In terms of the length of the hair, it's definitely A+ for me. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely A+ for me. And in terms of how easy it is to install this hair, it's definitely A+ for me. And in terms of how versatile the hair is, it's definitely A+ for me. Look at that. I can actually manipulate the hair however I want, and yeah, and I would get different look and different styles every time just by using my hand to manipulate the hair comb or brush. That for me is just amazing. So in terms of how versatile the hair is, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of how easy it is to style the hair straight out of the box, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of how well customized the hair is straight out of the box, it's definitely a plus for me. I am loving this hair. I don't know about you guys, but I love the fact that I can actually, you know, style this hair however I want and look different with every single style. I love it. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely a plus for me. The hair actually took 4 days to get here in the UK, which is really amazing in my opinion. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.